The Department of Sociology is one among the five departments that started with the inception of Central University of Odisha in the year 2009. Our seniors will be awarded postgraduate degree, but at the same time, we are also said that we all will be leaving the department and set up a new journey. To express our good wishes to our respected seniors,
दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति ज्ञानाय दीपं ज्योति सर्वपाप संध्या दीपं नमस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति जनार्दनाय दीपं ज्योति हरते पापं संध्या दीपं नमस्तुते।
स्वागतम सांसों की सरगम गाए सुस्वागतम सांसों की सरगम गाए सुस्वागतम।
हम सुबह जब बिस्तर छोड़ते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी की याद करके ही उठते हैं, आते हैं, अपना काम करके फिर चले जाते हैं। यूनिवर्सिटी में तकरीबन 8-9 घंटा का रहना होता है, उसके बीच तो चले जाते हैं। फैमिली होता है, बच्चे होते हैं, सोसाइटी होता है, कम्युनिटी होता है। इन लोगों की तरह एक आम इंसान होने के नाते हमें भी कुछ रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है, लेकिन हम सुबह जाग के शाम बजे तक इतना डूबे रह रहे हैं कि किसी की तरफ भी हमारा ध्यान तो नहीं है। हमारा एक ही ध्यान होता है, हमारा बच्चे कैसे अच्छे पढ़ें, अच्छे करें, आगे बढ़ें, कभी कहीं इनका कमियां ना हो, चाहे यूनिवर्सिटी में हो या डिपार्टमेंट में। और थोड़ा बहुत खा भी के सोते हैं तो कभी कभार रात 2 बजे 1 बजे फिर भी टेलीफोन आ जाता है हॉस्टल से, साफ पानी नहीं है,
Not individuals, you all have contributed in their respective capacities to make this program successful. So the credit goes to all of us. And now we have with us Aditya sir. Aditya sir, we all know Aditya sir is very enthusiastic, vocal, and someone who knows the temperament of the students better. And he has been a guider, philosopher, and motivator for all of us. So now I would like to request Aditya sir to say a few words.
धन्यवाद दर्शक। जगन्नाथ स्वामी इस वर्ष समावेश यदि बात हो मोदी जो कपिल नहीं सेमिस्टर समस्त स्टूडेंट्स एवं ये समावेश जो रंगारंग କରିଛନ୍ତି से आयोजक यही हम द्वितीय सेमिस्टर समस्त छात्र छात्री कोई अनुभव नहीं मुझे कारण सकाल गोटे प्रबल भोक हो तो किसी समय कहूँ बेसी समय कहूँ भावी मुझे फिल करुँगी सेयारिंग फिल कर तो 2-3 मिनट मोर जहाँ किसी रही मुझे कहि प्रथमतः आम जो मैंने जो सिंगर मैंने आज फंक्शन को आसी ना ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ନିହାତି କିଛି କାମ ଥିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ସୁଖରେ ଆମେ ହସରେ କାହିଁ କଞ୍ଜୁସ ହେବା ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଆଜି ଏ ଫଙ୍କସନକୁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ସଫଳ କରିବାରେ ସହାୟ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କେହି ନୁହନ୍ତି ସମଗ୍ର ଥିବା ଅତି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଅତି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସମ୍ ଅତି ପ୍ରତି चतुर्थ सेमिस्टर समस्त छात्र और छात्री मैंने तो सही परिप्रेक्षी में आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू गो फॉर ए ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ applause for all the students of fourth semester for their kind presence. Now coming to my experience with all of you, I remember that was a year 2021 when all of you took admission in the department. During these 2 years of time, personally saying, because while coming from my home, I decided that I won't speak anything from my brain, rather I will speak from my heart. So, good things I will say, during these 2 years of time, I am having 2 memories, that is in terms of age scale. 2021 ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କ'ଣ ଘଟିଲା ବୋଧହୁଏ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କର ଆସିବା ସହିତ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଜୀବନରେ ପାଦ ଦେଇଥିଲି ସେଟା ହେଉଛି ମୋର ମଚ୍ ଆମ୍ବିସିୟସ୍ ରିଲିଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଆଲବମ୍ one day and ତୁମେମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ବାହାରିଛ ସେତେବେଳେ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦୁଃଖ ଦେଇଛ ମୋତେ ବି ଦୁଃଖ ଦେଇକି ଗଲ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଫେସ୍ କଲି ଆନନ୍ଦ ଡେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଯେଉଁ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ରାସ୍ତାରେ କହିଥିଲି ଜୀବନ ଏବଂ ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ସହିତ ସଂଘର୍ଷ କରୁଥିଲି ସେ ସମୟରେ କପିଲ ସାର୍ ଯାଇକି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ ଆଉ ମୋତେ ଉଦ୍ଧାର କରିଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସେ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ କ'ଣ ସମୟ କରିଥିଲି ଏବଂ ତା ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ମୁମେଣ୍ଟରେ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କର ସମସ୍ତ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଆଉ ଭଲ ପାଇବା ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା ମୁଁ ଆଜି ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବି ସୁସ୍ଥରେ ଠିଆ ହେଇପାରିଛି ଏବଂ ବିପଦରେ ମୁଁ କହିପାରୁଛି କଥା ରହିଲା ଆମ ଭିତର କଥା 2 ବର୍ଷର କଥା ଆ ଭିତରେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଘଟିଛି ବହୁତ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଗାଳି ବି ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଭଲ ପେପର ଦେଇଛି କ୍ଲାସରେ ବସେଇଛି ମଧ୍ୟ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଡକେଇଛି ମଧ୍ୟ କ୍ଲାସ ଏତେ ସମୟ ନେଇଯାଇଛି ମନେ ମନେ ପୁରା ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଏ ମାଷ୍ଟରଟା କେତେବେଳେ ଯିବ କ୍ଲାସରୁ ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ କାରଣ ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ କହେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ କ୍ଲାସ ଯାଏ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସେଲ୍ଫିସ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ ଯେ ମୋର ଏ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରଟା ନ ସରିଲା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ କ୍ଲାସରୁ ଯିବିନି ତେଣୁକି ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥାଉ କି ଇଚ୍ଛା ନଥାଉ ସେଟା ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଦଳୁ ତେଣୁ ସେ ବଦଳକୁ ତୁମେମାନେ ସାଥ ଦେଇଥିଲ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଅଶେଷ ଅଶେଷ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଆଉ डिपार्टमेंट भितर तुम्हें बहुत किसी काम कर सबुबड़े डिपार्टमेंट पाखे पाखे ठिया डिपार्टमेंट जो जो प्रोफेसर ने कहले भल खराब सबुरे तुम्हें आगे ठिया से अशेष धन्यवाद यही परिप्रेक्षी मुझे कथा कहि प्रथम कथा आई ऑलवेज से इन दिस वे दैट दिस इज a moment of sweet and sour. Sweet in the sense that we could able to pass out the 13th batch of the students of Department of Sociology. So once again, a huge round of applause for the students of both for passing out from the Department of Sociology. This is the 13th batch. So what the commission party does je ame ekti choto boyse career agama kotile modhyo dekhu fairatama batch pass out hoche ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଯେ ସେମାନେ ନିହାତି କିଛି ଭଲ ସ୍ମୃତି ନେଇକି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଯାଇଥିବେ ଆଉ ମନେ ବି ରଖିବେ ଆଉ ଏତିକି ବି ଆଶା ବି କରିବି ତମେ କିଛି ଜଣା କି ନ ଜାଣ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଭୋଜି ଭାତ ବି ହେଲେ ଆମେ ଗାଁରେ ଦେଇଦେଉଥିବେ In second, this is also a moment of shower in the sense that you are leaving from the department, but again I remember there was a caption of Hearts Network. That is, wherever you go, our network follows. So, though this is a farewell function, but I always consider this is a function of best wishes. So, now we are living in this mobile generation, so there is no farewell in farewell sense. Rather, we will be connected. Okay? Yes or no? Thank you very much. So, we will be connected to the network. Wherever you go, you just keep in touch with all of you. Okay, and I wish with this one, I wish all the very best for your both professional and personal life. At the same time, it will be quite unfair on my part if you have not expressed a line of appreciation to students of second semester. I remember there was a Oriya song, "Chutire Chutire Brahma." एक पॉइंट तो जानी नहीं गोटे काम कर छुट्टी छुट्टी फेयरवेल को ऑर्गेनाइज करदे मु कहली समझे कहते जे डेकोरेशन टा बहुत भल डेकोरेशन टा भल डेकोरेशन भल नो बहुत भल So a huge round of applause for students of second semester for decorating this room and outside. In fact, I'm control करते हम इमोशन को प्रोफेसर जब हम इंटरव्यू करने कॉरिडोर रे हमें तळे बसिकी दिन फोटो लेछु कॉरिडोर में फोटो लेछु आ एही में फोटो बाकी अछि बहुत शीघ्र हम फोटो लेछु सो वंस अगेन हमें समस्त पे applause दबा for students of fourth semester, to the students of second semester, and faculty members of the Department of Sociology. And I'm so sorry, Muhammad Kufur and GH with it. Taliban are applause the one. So, once again, with this part, I once again congratulate all of you for passing out from the Department of Sociology and getting the degree of MA, okay? And all the very best. Thank you.
Now we have leaders
Good afternoon to all of you, and thank you, Vyasa, for your kind introduction and very generous introduction. And I just heard a small clap and it was stopped to hear me. So first of all, I would like to thank the second semester students who have done this thing, who have organized this thing in a very efficient way, and that has contributed to the pride of our department. Early in the morning when I came, it was around 10 o'clock. So I saw it was so beautiful that I clicked pictures with all of them, because you were not present, that we will do it at the end of this. Next, though it's a day for farewell, farewell means where we are giving goodbye to all of you. There are good memories, there are bad memories, but I don't take it bad, because I always try to see good in everything. Maybe it is bad for you, maybe good for me. Okay. So, though as Kapil sir has already said, I don't have to say more. Kapil sir and Aditya sir, they have already said about the living, the place, the culture, everything they have elaborated, and how it is essential to live together. It is very, very important to be together despite of every kind of storm or whatever that came to your life during your existence over here. Whatever was there were good things, there were bad things. Individually, I don't think that I don't like your batch. I like your batch, because everybody is my children only, everybody is my student only. So I don't carry any bitter memories of you with me, unless I carry the good things about, because you all have now time to evolve. Because as a process, we all evolve with time. Today you have said something, tomorrow something is different. So it is a part of evolution. So I don't carry any bitterness with myself, about you or about your things. And let me just start with my experiences with you. It was like in the admission, I was only there. I and Vijay sir, we both were there in the admission process, and you all were admitted during those times to this sociology department. It was an online, it was an offline, both the things. As I remember, I find a very innocent people in you. Do you know that you are not very critical? You are not very like somebody is open to something or fake at the other side. You are not like that. I have observed that. A very good kind of students that I have come across. Whatever they have in mind, they will speak. Otherwise, they don't have anything beyond that. That's what I came across. Not a kind of fakeism or not a kind of thing that they have incorporated, and it is very good, because we live in a culture where these things are very prominent, but these things are not within you. Whatever is in your mind, you say, you end it, you do it. That is what I have come across. Okay, this is my personal opinion. I don't know about others. I remember my birthday. I remember Ajay got for me extra 1K, and there were 2 cakes in my birthday. I always do that. Just a thing that I wanted to share with all of you, that you loved me a lot, and I also loved all of you a lot. Don't think that there is something I carry that I like somebody specific or I hate something specific like that. I had interacted with all the girls, all the boys of this department. Everybody has their own way of understanding me, own way of saying me. I have also understood what is there into, or what is they want to perceive over there. Everything I have tried to listen to that. I will also share some of my experiences. I was not interested, like first I thought that would I be able to take my students to the study tour that we did in this department. That was a very historic study tour. Everybody talks about that. It was highly published in the newspaper. Harish, okay, so everybody talked about that, and I think that it is possible because of all of you. It was not because of me or any other person. All were responsible, sir, and all we just incorporated everything, all the formalities, and then we were able to go to the study tour that was established. And these were some of the experiences I had. And I always, whenever I go to the other departments also, people recognize me. People also say me that I am the popular teacher of sociology department, that everybody knows me. And only for this 4 years I have been here, and they recognize me. And that is a thing for me, that is the love and affection that you have given me and you have made me that. I don't ever consider that it is me or I have done everything. We all grow, we all evolve with time. Another experience I'll say, all the girls, I think hopefully they are all raised as strong women now. And from the boys side, I'll say Ranvijay. Ranvijay, I had an experience. Ranvijay always says me, ki ma'am, could I say this? Ranvijay? Okay. So Ranvijay says me, ma'am, you say it, you teach so well and so much into that. But sometimes we find there is something within you that you couldn't express. There is something within you that is within you and you cannot say it to the world. So I felt it very good that when a student comes to you and says you that, ma'am, you are very good, but there is something within you, some experiences, something that makes you very strict, very arrogant, very that is what. Here I would say always that it is very important that your students recognize you and you find a validation among your students, and that I have found within you. So very kind, very happy. I don't say that you are leaving, even if you come back after several years or so, maybe I'll be there and we can have interaction and we can have also discussions about the old topics, and maybe you might have forgotten whatever was there earlier.
The Department of Sociology is
सार्वल विषय टिके कोई होती अब मो विषय रिलेटेड विषय करू आपण विषय विषय मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम देखिए ओडी करेगी तो सामने गोटे कथा कहते हैं कि गोड़ा रे किछि जगह के दिन में मत मुझे इच्छा थी ना कि गोटे ढंगा घर थी कि छोट कर देबी बहुत से पाठ मन निज भीतर इच्छा थी और से कथा स्कूल हाथी गोटे टाइम एनवायरनमेंट गोटे क्रिएट है अब मु गोटे कथा मो एक्सपीरियंस हिसाब से कहूँ मु गोटे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन मते गोड़ा भीतर क्लास भीतर मुझे मो लाइफ जी बची नहीं पर्यटन मुझे 10 वर्ष पढ़ी 10 वर्ष 5 वर्ष तो मुझे भी क्लास रूम में कौन था क्लास रूम में रूम पढ़ा ये मत ମୁଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ଅତିବାହିତ କରୁନଥିଲି କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍ ଭିତରେ ବଟ୍ ଯେବେଠୁ ମୁଁ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲରେ ପଢ଼ିଲି ମୁଁ 2 ବର୍ଷ ପଢ଼ିଲି ତା ଭିତରେ ସକାଳଠୁ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ବି ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଥିଲି। ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲୁ ସ୍କୁଲ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ସକାଳେ ଯାଉଥିଲା ଆମେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲୁ ତ ଏଇଆ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ସେଇ ଆଉ ଥରେ ମନେ ବାକି ଆଉ ଥରେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ରିଟର୍ନ ଆସିବୁ। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହୁଛି ଆଦିତ୍ୟ ସାର୍ କହିଲେ ଆଦିତ୍ୟ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ एग्जाम होने के बाद एकदम सब हम ऑनलाइन एग्जाम है अभी तो हमने असाइनमेंट और एग्जाम है जिसे मेन काम सब हम तो बोलते बता दो ये पे कॉपी देगा तो हम लोग के लास्ट में हम चले गए बड़े कारण है मतलब कि हम देवी परिवित तीन दिन देने वाला कारण तो मैं वो नहीं चल रही तो सर आज से मौसम के सारे काम को चेक तो अकाउंट भी जाने का आगे से रखिए मेंटेन करिबे असाइनमेंट करने पड़ा देन दुपुर में हमको फर्स्ट टाइम देखते एडमिशन सब रास्ता था एडमिशन आजकल में हमको कि ना सेलेक्टेड दे वो और इनके करो सब साथ जो मुझे तो
हो करके हो लड़की तुम्हारे लड़की आँख मारे
Back on,